Hello, YouTube. I'm here trying to look like somebody before I get on this camera. Anybody that know me know that I'm dry, not attitude, but my lips be dry, my hands be dry, just like can't hold on to no moisture. But anyway, how y'all doing tonight? I am ROXX-A-MILLION and this is Chop It Up. Y'all see my lips? Ain't that something? My baby got me wearing some Dior lip oil. Lip glow oil. It feel good too, baby. It feels so good in these cold nights. So anyway, I'm glad y'all stopped by. I want y'all to like, subscribe, and comment. Look at me, subscribe and comment and a thumbs up. I'm making wet bread. That's what I used to call it. But now that I know better, it's called bread pudding. And this is the recipe here is the only bread pudding that I've ever eaten that I've liked. Mama make it, auntie make it, great grandma make it. I did not like it. Well, my sister made it. That thing was popping. She said, just get a little piece. I'm like, yeah, I'll taste it, but I don't like bread pudding. She was like, man, come on, try it. I tried that bread pudding and you talking about something good? I said, man, if you don't give me a slice of that there, I know something. But anyway, I'm finna take y'all in the kitchen with me. And that's what I'm finna do. I'm finna put it together. I'm finna throw down. And I'm gonna take you every step of the way with me. So you ain't gotta ask nobody about it. You'll see about it. And it is good. I guarantee that. So tonight, I'm drinking some Moscato. This is sweet red. It's really good. It's inexpensive, about $12.99. If you like sweet, this way it's at. It's a nice salty red. It ain't too sweet. It's not bitter. It's really good. What I'm gonna do is start cutting up this bread. I had to take all the bread out because I had to spray the pan. So spray the pan, and now I'm gonna put the bread at the bottom. Okay, next time y'all see me for real, I'll be mixing up the custard. So how many of y'all did right by the little blackout on Friday? In order to make sure I did right, I stayed in the house. I did not go out. I didn't trust myself. Because, honey, if you get wanting something to munch on, you better stop and got some chips or something. Or thirsty, get you something to drink. Your mind tell you you're hungry. I didn't want to be tempted by nothing. But this is some croissants. She said she tried it with the croissants instead of the French bread or other kind of bread or whatever. This is roughly about 6 cups of bread. And this is the very start of this very rich and decadent bread. So, next part y'all will see I'll be mixing up the custard. Before I pour the custard on, I have to pour on this melted butter. Okay. The ingredients for the custard are as follows. I have 4 cups of heavy whipping cream, which I'm going to use 1 cup of this for the caramel drizzle. I have my pure vanilla extract, nutmeg, cinnamon, white sugar, brown sugar. The rest of the brown sugar over there is also for the topping. And I have the toasted coconut, some raisins, 6 eggs. I have crushed pineapple in its own juice and sweetened condensed milk. Special part about this that got me so excited. I toasted these pecans myself. I crunched them myself. And I'll put them on the topping myself. All right, y'all, let's get it. All right, so I'm gonna pour this heavy whipping cream in here. Three cups of it anyway, because I need that for my topping. Sugar, white sugar, brown sugar, the sweetened condensed milk, pure vanilla extract, the nutmeg, brown cinnamon. We're going to blend this up, and she said taste it to make sure that it's doing what I want to do. I'm not going to add the eggs in until I get the taste right. Taste it. Okay, I'm gonna put the eggs in. It tastes perfect. She said taste it before I add the eggs, so I did that, and it was delicious. The custard is right on point. Right now I'm going to pour this custard over on the bread and start putting in the other ingredients. Okay, so I'm gonna pour this over this. I already poured melted butter over it. Put the pineapple. I need nobody want no raisins really, so this is the toasted coconut. See, I'm leaving this little portion right here for those that don't like a lot of stuff, i.e. Allure and her dad. I like raisins. I don't know if I like them in her, so they was in there when I ate it the first time, so I'm eating them. And now I'm about to make the caramel sauce. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to make the butter sauce. right now I'm gonna put that together so I could put it over the bread pudding. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so I'm about to add in my frying pan a stick of butter. It has to be melted, and this is the first part to making the pecan caramel sauce for the bread pudding. So you're gonna let this melt, and once it's melt, I'll add the whipped cream, the sugar, the vanilla extract, as well as the pecans. All right, stay tuned. Okay, so I have melted the butter. Now I'm gonna add the sugar. And it says it calls for brown sugar, and I'm not crazy about all brown sugar. It says 1 cup of brown sugar, so I'm gonna use regular white sugar, and then a half a cup of brown sugar. And that brown sugar lock up on you, get hard, so it'll melt. So I have to cook this till it's melted, and once this is melted, I will add in the whipping cream in the picture. I'm gonna bring it to a gentle boil here once it's all together. And this is the pecan caramel sauce. See, it still have a caramel color, y'all. It's not smooth yet. You're not supposed to add the cream until this mixture is smooth. So I'm getting it smooth. As soon as it's all smooth up, I'm going to add the cream. Now that's smooth. And now I'm going to add in the heavy whipping cream. Almost candy making candy. Well, caramel is candy. And then I gotta add in my vanilla extract, baby. Vanilla extract, mama. So this has to come to like a rough boil. Let me tell y'all something. This get on. You ever made cotton candy? Candy apples, and you let that darn candy get on you when you make your homemade candy apples with that corn syrup. They have to catch you. You'll be on 95 north or south. That heat don't even play with you. Smells so good, right, Parky?
Yeah.
So you always talking about stuff smells good, yeah.
Small marshmallows.
Mm-hmm. Now I'm gonna add in the caramel. The pecans to the caramel. I know I could twist up some words when I'm cooking. Y'all have to excuse me. I'm not really used to telling what I'm doing when I'm doing it. So with time, I will perfect this. But y'all do know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about adding the pecans to the caramel sauce. Oh, me. This is called a soft boil, I reckon. What you say, honey?
Yeah, maybe a steam.
So I toasted these pecans and chopped them up myself. I'm so proud of me. This looks like somebody handling some serious business up in here, baby. Caramel sauce. Let's see it together. Caramel sauce. And how I'm gonna put it on there? I'm gonna put it in a glass measuring cup so I can pour it evenly over it. This is the pecan caramel sauce. So now I just have to reduce the heat and let it just simmer a little bit. And when I come back, we're gonna be tasting this. This is what I'm working with. This is a pecan caramel glaze on top of this. And this is...
Look at me, look at me. You looking?
This is it. We finna bite down up in this bread pudding, y'all. So that's what it is. Okay, so I am about to. This is my first time making this, by the way. Like I told you, this is my sister's recipe, and this is awesome. I know it is because it got the flavor to it already. Bread pudding. Oh yeah. I had to bring out ice cream for this. I don't eat bread pudding, y'all. I did a good job. I let the top get like crunchy because I didn't want it wet. This caramel butter sauce. This is good. I don't know if I told y'all earlier, but I said thoughts become things, so choose good ones. And I wish each and every one of y'all good health, happiness, love, success, prosperity, and money. I would like y'all to please subscribe. I would also like y'all to comment. A thumbs up. And share. This is good.